Everyone, we're in Richard Van Life. We're in St Andrews. We're at the Home Hardware. I just want to give a shout out to Dave. Thank you. Thanks for looking after us with the car paint. Yeah, it's been amazing. Really appreciate your time. And yeah, big shout out to St Andrews Home Hardware. Go and check out this place. They got all the car paints you need, home house paints, and all the other hardware store supplies. Homecart is the name. Painting day, we got sun. Yeah, we're very happy. Prep work is done. We're packed up. We're sick of flexed up. We've got new windows in. We've got the sky roof.
Sky roof. I love
Sky
it.
roof.
I love it when you call it sky roof.
Like that. Yeah, we're gonna paint, and I'm wait till you see the colour.
Day for painting, isn't it?
Yeah. Good. Can you hold the screen, please? Wait a minute. Let's do this.
So we're going to paint this box first just to test it out. This is the box that goes on the back of the bus. We're using a special type of paint. It's called bedliner. It's like bedliner. Raptor protective coating.
You could help me. I just need some constant stirring while you're talking.
Yeah.
like it. Yep. This is our van. It's green. We know a lot more. Coconut body oil is what you paint. Sun, hands and throat. I was wear a mask, but this time we wore gloves.
You too.
I did. You not too bad. You got some paint in your hair. Does it drive? Are you sure it drives? Oh, you sure? It drives? Oh, I didn't know it can drive. Is it registered? Yes, it's registered. Oh.